friends, welcome back to my H journey. It's Mrs. White again. If you are a Hermes lover like myself or about to embark on the Hermes journey, please consider subscribing to my channel. This channel talks about all things Hermes, such as my experience shopping at Hermes, how to build relationship with your SA, how to buy and get offer a Coda bag, and of course, all the unboxing of my Hermes items. So today's video is the finale of my 3-part series on Hermes in Las Vegas. If you have not yet watched my part 1 and part 2 of this series, I will advise you watching those 2 videos before continuing with this video, as it will give you more insights on how I got this offer. I will link it above and in the description box below. I am super excited to share with you all this special unboxing. As you already know from the title of this video, I was offered the Constance 24 re-editions. I first learned about the Constance re-editions from watching Tamara's most recent unboxing video of her Constance 24 in Rouge Gusset. It was stunning, and it really made me consider getting it as well. In case anyone missed her video, I will also put it in the description box below. So before I say anything, because you know in the previous video I mentioned about Coda bag, right? So you might be thinking about B or K. So why is Constance 24? Because Constance at this particular boutique, well, or some of the local boutique, it's considered a Coda bag this year. So I will still be so grateful that I actually got offered this baby without me asking, actually, because I was just asking for bags in general. I wasn't really particularly asking for Birkin, Kelly, or Constance, and this is what I got. So without further ado, let's get started with the unboxing. So let me unbox it. Of course, I have to do with a ribbon, right? So I am telling you, this is just like a true unboxing. And I'll tell you what and why. So before I show you the bag, I would love for you to make your guess by commenting below the color and hardware of my Constance 24. So let's pause. So this is a true unboxing, as I have not seen the bag ever since at the boutique offered. It has been a torture for the past 6 days, okay? Since I was away on another business trip. I mean, some of you follow me very closely on my Instagram. You guys know how many business trips I have to do with my job. So, oh my God, this is very exciting. Very exciting. So may I present to you my very first Constance 24, the re-edition in the color Nata with the gold hardware. I cannot tell you more how much I'm so excited with this bag. Just look at her. She is just stunning, like very stunning. I don't have much, you know, to describe this. It's just so pretty. I was offered this bag, of course, via my hubby's profile, Mr. Y. This bag was approved by the manager the day after purchasing my Coda Bates items, which I had unboxed with you in my part 2 video. So like I mentioned earlier, if you have not watched that video, it's like what Coda Bates that I purchased, you really need to watch that video. Okay, it's gonna be in my description box below. Okay, so let me show you the detail of this bag. So let's look at the side profile first. You can see that this is in single Gusset, which means that it is in one compartment. So when the SA unboxed this, I was hoping to see this bag is in single Gusset. Otherwise, I might have to reject this bag, okay? I was seriously manifesting all night long for this bag to be in single Gusset. Apparently manifesting does work, guys. So an interesting fact to share with you all is that the label on the box does not indicate whether the bag is in single gusset or double gusset construction. The only way to find out is to open the sealed box, okay? The reason why I was obsessed with the single gusset is because this is the only version that comes with a bag pocket in non-exotic leather. The back pocket will be super useful for metro cards or, you know, slip in your phone or something. However, I might not slip my phone in because it will stretch out the leather. So let's look at the interior of this bag. And I believe all Constance are lined with swift leather, but let's see, okay? So let me just open the buckle. Okay, of course, this is some felt here. This is still very stiff because obviously this is in Epsom leather. It's, you know, kind of stiff a little bit. And the inside, I was correct. So it is a swift leather and it's very, very soft. And obviously I don't want to scratch it. So here's the 2 pockets and here's a zipper pocket. Okay. I feel like with a re-edition, it actually has more pockets. So here's the front, and there's one very interesting thing. I was very excited when I saw this. So here's a mirror. Okay, there's a mirror inside. And it's really cool. I really need a mirror with me anyways. So this feature really reminds me of the DeVoe Brilliant handbag because it also comes with a mirror. So you see the front has 2 pockets, right? Like I mentioned earlier, and then one of them is smaller and that one is specifically for the mirror, okay? And the other side, you can probably put like a credit card or something just to put it in there, right? So in general, I think the single gusset will be more user-friendly than the 2 gusset construction. So please comment below if you want me to do a size comparisons between my Constance 18 and this Constance 24. And in the future, I will probably also do a comparison between a single gusset and a double gusset on the Constance 24, as my mother-in-law have her Constance 24 in the double gusset construction. So let me just give you guys some mock shot. And when I was trying on the bag, I actually did this. It's perfect. I wouldn't do crossbody, just saying, because it's kind of short for me. But otherwise, I love it. So as always, I share with you the price of my Hermes item. So this bag retails for $9,600, well, US dollars, which is less than the double gusset version. So I believe that one is retail for $10,300 or so. So now that you see the color combinations of my new Constance 24, please comment below if you guessed it correctly. Would you consider this re-edition of the Constance 24? If so, what is your dream color combinations? So I hope you found this videos to be informative and helpful. If you have any questions, please put it in the comment sections below. Be sure to hit the like button below so that YouTube will help me share this video for more viewers like yourself. If you want to closely follow my Hermes journey, please follow on my Instagram at Mrs. Y X Journey. As always, thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys next time. Bye!